Are you tired of exhausting workouts and complicated diets? What if I told you there's a way to lose weight in just 2 weeks without all that stress? Stress at work, junk food, and bad sleep could be stopping you from reaching your dream body. But don't worry, I've got 15 simple tricks that most people don't even know about, and they can help you burn that stubborn belly fat. Let's get started. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for more awesome tips. Losing weight doesn't have to feel like torture. No, you don't need to quit everything you love or spend hours in the gym. There are easier ways to speed up your metabolism and burn fat naturally. Today, I'm going to share 15 tips that can help you see real results in just 2 weeks. From simple changes in your diet to surprising habits like laughing more, these tips will guide you step by step. And the best part? These methods are backed by science. Tip number 1, avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are one of the biggest reasons people gain weight. If you want to see a fast energy boost and burn fat quicker, cut out sodas and fruit juices. Research from Harvard shows sugary beverages lead to obesity. Replace them with water and you're on the road to better metabolism. Tip number 2, drink green tea. Do you want to burn even more fat? Drinking green tea could be the answer. Packed with antioxidants like catechins, green tea speeds up metabolism and helps in weight loss. Studies show it can boost fat burning, especially around your belly. Add it to your morning routine and you'll feel the difference. Tip number 3, hide unhealthy foods. Temptation is real. If you keep unhealthy snacks where you can see them, you're more likely to eat them. Instead, switch them with healthy options like fruits. Studies show that out of sight, out of mind truly works. Make your environment support your weight loss journey. Tip number 4, don't count calories, eat healthy. Stop obsessing over calorie numbers. Focus on quality. Nuts, seeds, and veggies are packed with nutrients, unlike processed junk. They'll keep you full, boost your metabolism, and aid in fat burning. It's all about eating smarter. Are you ready to supercharge your weight loss journey even further? Try Java Burn, the natural supplement that boosts metabolism, burns fat, and gives you the energy boost you need, all while enjoying your favorite coffee. Click the link in the description to get Java Burn at an amazing price today. Don't miss out. Tip number 5. Laugh more. Yes, laughing burns calories. Just 10 to 15 minutes of laughter can burn 10 to 40 calories. Studies show it's a great way to engage your core muscles and help you lose belly fat. So watch a comedy and let the fat melt away. There you have it. 5 simple, science-backed tips to help you lose weight and boost your metabolism in just 2 weeks. Don't forget, losing weight is not just about counting calories. It's about living smarter. Try these tips and let me know how they work for you. And remember, you can take your results to the next level with Java Burn. It's the only coffee supplement that naturally burns fat, boosts energy, and supports healthy metabolism. Click the link in the description to get yours now and start seeing results.